He had some strengths which made him successful astrologer. That were he had working analysis of mankind troubles. He knew that human mankind are having troubles like marriage, money, tangles of human ties in their life. Tangles of human ties means complications in the human relationships. And he understood all these troubles very well, and he tackled people with his understanding. He had good perception also because practice made him perfect. Within 5 minutes, he understood the customer's problems. He was charging 3 pies per question. He has good listening skill also, and he uttered sentences which pleased the customers. What are that sentences? Let's see. You are not getting full results for your efforts. There is some woman in your family who disfavors you. And most of your troubles are because of your impetuous nature and rough exterior. These were the sentences which were pleasing people and attracting customers to him. Then the narrator turned to that particular day. The nut vendor blew out his flare and rose to go home. Astrologer too picked up his cowrie shells and paraphernalia means things, articles. Paraphernalia म्हणजे त्याने त्याचे सामान उचललं and started putting all things into his bag. One man stood before him. Astrologer thought the man was his client and said to him,
You look so careworn. Sit down for a while and chat with me.
You call yourself an astrologer?
I charge only 3 pies per question.
If I prove you are bluffing, you must return the anna with interest.
If you find my answer satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees?
No.
Or will you give me 8 annas?
Alright, provided. You gave me twice as much if you are wrong.
But the man was arrogant. He challenged astrologer for the prophecy and gave his palm for reading. The man agreed for 8 annas, but on one condition, that if he proved him wrong, he should give twice of it. This pact agreement was accepted. Astrologer, he said a prayer to heaven, and the man, he lit a cheroot, means cigar. And in the light of mystic, astrologer had seen face of the man, and he was shocked. He was uncomfortable.
Here, take your anna back. I am not used to such challenges. It's late for me today.
You dragged me in while I was passing.
Leave me today. I will speak to you tomorrow.
Challenge is challenge. Go on.
There is a woman.
Stop. I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not?
Once again, astrologer took the challenge and said incantations means magical words.
Alright, I will speak. But will you give me a rupee if what I say is convincing? Otherwise, I will not open my mouth and you may do whatever you like.
The astrologer told the man his past. He told him that he was left for dead. Someone passed a knife through his chest and then pushed him into a well to die. The man exclaimed that one passerby saved him. Man was pleased by an astrologer and asked him when he would get that person who tried to kill him. He was searching for the man. Astrologer answered him that the person died 4 months ago. The man was disappointed. Further, astrologer called him by his name Guru Nanak and pretended as if he knew everything from his life. The man was surprised. He was taken aback. Astrologer advised him to go back to his village and never travel, otherwise he would die. He advised him not to travel southward, then he would live for 100 years. The man agreed, but expressed his regret that the person who tried to kill him died and escaped from his hands. To make him satisfied, astrologer said that he was crushed under a lorry. The man gave a handful of coins to the astrologer and left for his village. It was nearly midnight when the astrologer reached home. His wife was waiting for him at the door. He asked her to count the money. She was overjoyed while counting because she could prepare sweets for her children. She asked him what was wrong as he looked worried. He answered nothing. After dinner, he sat on Pule and told her that he was relieved from a great burden of killing a man as he was alive. And this way we come to know that astrologer himself tries to kill the man, and therefore he was able to tell his past perfectly. When he told this to his wife, she was astonished because she could not believe that her husband could be a killer, and she asked him whether he tried to kill the man. Astrologer said to her that he was silly young man. They drank, gambled, and quarreled one day, and therefore this incident happened. But there is no need to think of it now, and he slept on the Pule peacefully. This way the lesson concludes, the lesson ends. What do we learn from this lesson, students? We learn many things, but one important thing we learn is that we may commit mistakes in our life, but we should learn from our mistakes and we should change ourselves. Thank you.